Yes, well, yes, in last video I told you about the scheme of gamma decay, alpha decay and gamma decay. In gamma decay, I forgot to tell you in positive beta decay, a proton inside the nucleus decay into proton को हम ऐसे लिखते हैं into neutron plus one E0 positron and neutrino. In not gamma decay, actually I am telling about positive beta decay. तो न्यूक्लियस के इनसाइड प्रोटॉन डिके होता है. A neutron can decay outside nucleus, but proton cannot decay outside nucleus. It can decay only inside nucleus. Proton can decay into a neutron inside the nucleus only. Why? Not outside nucleus. वो तो अंडरस्टूड हो गया ना. दिस इज बिकॉज क्या निकल है सो प्रोटॉन कैन नॉट डिके into neutron outside the nucleus because mass of proton is less than neutron. Actually, inside nucleus, some nuclear reaction takes place in which energy converts into mass, and by getting that energy into mass, proton can decay, and positive beta decay also is possible. Practically has been verified. Now I come to gamma decay. So gamma radiation are electromagnetic waves, neutral radiation. And these are the shortest wavelength electromagnetic waves, gamma rays, and most penetrating radiation. Once there was a question in the board exam, name the most penetrating radiation, and 1 year it was question, name the shortest wavelength radiation ever known to us. So gamma rays are shortest wavelength radiation. Now why gamma radiation take place? Question is that. By alpha decay, I told you that heavy nucleus decay like uranium into two proton, two neutron together, and beta part decay because neutron decay into electron, proton that come out. Then why beta decay take place? So during alpha decay or beta decay, the daughter nucleus is left in excited state. Excited state means energy level. यानी कि daughter nucleus found in some high energy levels. I have told you while telling about the structure of nucleus, model of nucleus, when alpha decay or beta decay take place, energy released and some energy is given to the daughter nucleus, and it is found in high energy state. In high energy state, the nuclei are unstable. So these this higher, sorry, the proton nucleus in higher energy state is unstable. So, to achieve, to achieve stable structure, the excited nucleus release energy in the form of electromagnetic waves. Since the energy released here is of certain million electron volt, is of certain million electron volt. This point is to be understood, million electron volt. So, according to equation, lambda equal to, ऐसे लिखो, hc upon lambda equal to delta E. So lambda equal to hc upon delta E. Because this delta E energy of million electron volt, so gamma lambda is very small. So according to this equation, lambda, the value of wavelength of gamma rays is fraction of angstrom, less than angstrom. Shortest wavelength radiation are called gamma radiation. Now I told you that 27 cobalt 60 is radioisotope of cobalt. 27 cobalt 60 decay into -1 E0 plus 28 Ni 60 plus N0 plus Q. So this Q value is given to this, and the daughter nucleus nickel cobalt 60 is found in the two excited state. These are two excited ground state. These are two E1 E2 two higher energy state. Here nuclei may be found. This gap here is 1.17 MeV. The energy gap between these two levels, and here it is 1.33. MeV. So a nucleus of 28 nickel 60 may be found in this state as well. This is the ground state. So photon may come direct, the nucleus can make transition directly from this or this and then this. So difference is a million electron volt. So the wavelength of radiations emitted by daughter nucleus during beta decay will be that of gamma rays. So gamma rays are emitted by daughter nucleus during alpha decay or beta decay are left in excited state. You can read the book, you can see NCERT book or other book also. But I have noticed, I am telling again and again, there is lack of knowledge if you don't read the book. Nobody explains why gamma decay takes place. But they say it is radioactivity and three radiations are emitted, alpha, beta, gamma. A teacher came to me, sir, there are no electrons inside nucleus, why beta decay have electron, from where they have come. अरे भाई किताब पढ़ लो यार, थोड़ा सा कुछ कर लो. Once question was asked, draw the energy level of nickel 60 during beta decay of cobalt 60. इनका गैप पूछा गया, what is the gap? You can obtain the frequency or wavelength by lambda equal to delta E upon HC upon delta, HC upon delta E. जैसे मैं कहूँ कि ये टोटल डिफरेंस कितना होगा? इट इज 10 ये 2.5 होगा. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन डायरेक्ट अगर न्यूक्लियस डायरेक्ट डिके फ्रॉम E टू ग्राउंड स्टेट, तो HC अपॉन लैम्डा की वैल्यू यहाँ पर ये 4.5 मिलियन इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, नहीं 4 नहीं, 10 और 5, हाँ 2.5 मिलियन इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट की जूल बनाएंगे 1.6 13 और यहाँ पर रख दें. तो wavelength come out of certain, you can find out this in meter. So I hope we have got my point, why alpha decay, beta decay take place. This was my aim in this video. Now I will be telling now law of radioactivity in next video. Till now I have explained the model of nucleus, the mass defect, binding energy, atom mass unit, relation between atom mass unit and MeV. 1 U is equal to 931.5 MeV, etc. I have explained in detail. Now coming to this next video, laws of radioactivity means radioactivity. Now, who decays faster, who decays slower, and how to determine the rate and how to find the number of decay taking place per unit time and number of radionuclei left after time t. So radioactivity basically is statistical in nature. Which atom, which nucleus will decay now, which will decay later on, we cannot tell. We can derive the law of radioactivity by studying the decay behavior of a group of radioactive nuclei. I will discuss in next video. Thank you.